Hi, and welcome to the Heart of the Home. I'm Chef John Maxwell, and we're here at Meadow Hall in Meadow Event Park, where every week we get a chance to play with some great Virginia food. Today, it's kind of like a winter festival of Virginia food. We're going to make, I know this is terrible, and you're not going to want to, you're going to want to turn off and go away and do something else, but we're going to make a peanut butter brownie. Right? So, I happen to like it, and that's why we're doing it. So I've got the ingredients out here. It's got chocolate chips, it's got sweet potatoes, got sugar and cocoa. It's just some delightful stuff. So we're going to start with our dry ingredient here, the cocoa powder, and in that goes. I'm going to add to that sugar and some flour. And the ingredient amounts are on the website, so you'll be able to go there and figure out exactly how much of each of this stuff. We've got some baking soda. And stir this up. I want to make sure the dry ingredients are mixed really well so that the baking soda and the other ingredients are evenly distributed in the dry mix. It becomes much harder to do once it's wet. All right, so those are all mixed in there very nicely. And I'm going to add the sweet potato. I cooked these, peeled them, right, and now I've got them in here. Set that over there. And now the peanut butter, right? I melted this on the stove so it's nice and warm and it's loose. So I'm going to add that, right, into this mixture. Okay, set that back over here. Get this mixed around. I'm going to incorporate some of this, and then I'm going to add that extract. So I've got this nice and mixed. A tip is, if you're using leftover sweet potatoes and they're cold, you may want to add a little bit of warm water to this to get it to go into solution. But if you're using freshly baked or boiled sweet potatoes, the heat of the sweet potato will take care of that. Now, I'm going to add some chocolate chips to this and some vanilla extract. About a quarter teaspoon. So let me mix this up, get that vanilla extract in there. All right, now we're ready. And I've got this pan that's been greased. Now you could use parchment paper on the bottom if you want. That's just an extra step, I think. So I don't generally do that, but you certainly can. Yeah. Scrape this down really good. You need to get all of the stuff because this is pretty thick and you don't want it to stay behind. Now this is not going to be very thick at the bottom of this pan. The size of your pan will have something to do with that, but also it's going to rise a little bit from the baking soda, right? So you're going to get that brownie thickness. Get it spread out nice. Okay, there it is, all ready, and in it goes. Now, the brownie baked for 40 minutes. I took it out. I didn't think you needed to see me take it out of the oven. So I took it out and I set it over in a counter in a safe space and let it cool down. Right? So now that it's cooled down, I'm going to go get it and come back over here and cut it and put it onto a plate. This is what happens when you let brownies cool next to a cameraman. There's a piece missing from here. This is still a little warm, so it's a little soft. Once it has a chance to really chill good, it'll set up nice. Right? And there we have it. We got a peanut butter and chocolate chip brownie. Sweet potato brownie. So join us next week on Heart of the Home, where we get to play with great Virginia food.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com, as well as on Chef Maxwell's website at chefjohnmaxwell.com.